Good morning, everyone, especially to our panelists, the researchers, and instructors. Have a pleasant day, everyone. I'll be presenting feasibility study project proposal entitled MAR Pasalubong Center. Project Overview: Establishing Mar Pasalubong Center in the Municipality of Moncayo, Davao de Oro for Moncayuans and travelers are surely great experience where different types of people meet. Aside from that, it also encourages the promotion of our local products by building up a Pasalubong Center and to cater travelers who care to see and experience our local products. Product or service. The business offers OTAPs, banana chips, candies like durian, mangosteen, pomelo, durian tart, buko pie, durian pie, handicrafts like baskets, bags, kitchen souvenir, bamboo desk lamp, mirror bamboo arts, bamboo slippers, bamboo speakers. The establishments of this Pasalubong Center will also promote local products and gives attraction to neighboring municipality. MAR Pasalubong Center offer free delivery within Poblacion Moncayo. Visit us on our FB page, MAR Pasalubong Center. Nature of business. Our proposed business is a pasalubong center that offers different products here in Moncayo. We, as residents of the municipality, wanted to promote the very unique and good quality products of our locality to every tourist who come and visit our very own municipality. Description of the market. These products are offered to those who are willing to buy something to bring at home, like OTAPs, banana chips, candies, buko pie, and durian pie. More Pasalubong Center are offering handicrafts like baskets, bags, kitchen souvenir, bamboo desk lamp, mirror bamboo arts, bamboo slippers, bamboo speakers at very affordable price. Demand analysis. As we try to evaluate of what really is on trend and more profitable source of income here in the municipality. We tend almost people, and also we are glad that at least almost of them are willing to buy our products. Target market. The target markets will be all the tourists, travelers, and also the Moncayuans who usually come and visit the municipality to experience adventures and see beautiful spots here, and those who want to avail our offers. We will also offer our products to the people who often go to public terminal of Poblacion Moncayo, Davao de Oro, as our business location is near it. Supply analysis. MAR Pasalubong product and its raw materials are not just only abundance in the place but also enough to sustain the demand of what is highly more to be buy of tourists. Our products currently available in the locality. We will get our baskets, bags in Langkilaan Trinto, Agusan del Sur via private vehicle. We will get our goodies in Palma Hill Street, Davao City via private vehicle. We will get our kitchen souvenir in Averiro, Davao City via private vehicle also. We will get our bamboo desk lamp, mirror bamboo arts, bamboo slippers, bamboo speakers in Moncayo Handicraft Association in Maite, Salvacion. Product distribution. The products are always available to the center. Customer will only need to go to our location to visit and purchasing our products. Marketing mix. The MAR Pasalubong Center have lots of competitors and they have their own strategy to attract and gain more customers. Marketing mix for our MAR Pasalubong Center focus on 4 P's. We promote our local products in terms of their value. The pricing strategy of our product is very affordable to our valued customers. The place is located beside a public terminal, Moncayo, Davao de Oro. As for promotion, we offer 5% discounts in every 500 purchase and buy 2 take 1 in kitchen souvenir. The concept of technical alternatives. Production process. The process of these products is that we only pay and purchase it from other manufacturers. Alternative location. Mar Pasalobong Center will be located in Purok 5, Public Terminal, Poblacion Moncayo, Davao de Oro. The place will be rented and renovated to become a fully constructed Mar Pasalov Center. Alternative size. The Mar Pasalobong Center will offer products based on our suppliers' preference. We will also accept personalized handicrafts from a willing individual with a just price. In addition, every pack of our OTAPs there will be 6 to 12 pieces. Every pack of our candies there will be 50 pieces. And every pack of our durian tart there will be 3 to 6 to 12 pieces. For baskets, there will be small, medium, and large for them to choose according to their budget. Form of business enterprise, partnership, brief background of the proprietors of partners. Name, Aisa Pakulanang. Educational background, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Skills, good in communication, good in speaking, good in writing. Name, Russell Taragua. Educational background, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Skills, good in blogging, good in editing. Name, Mylene Himpisaw. Educational background, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Skills, good in communication. Management and Organization Structure, Aisa Pakulanang, Manager. Mylene Himpisaw, Cashier. Russell Taragua, Utility. Management functions and qualifications. Manager perform the functions of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling in the business with the qualification of 4-year course graduate, 1 year of experience in marketing world. Cashier is to assist customers in the in-store checkout process. Main duties: ringing up sales, bagging items, requesting price checks, honoring coupons, collecting payments, and giving appropriate change with work experience in cashing. Utility measures the welfare or satisfaction of a customers as a function of consumption of real goods such as food with or without experience. Proprietors, partners. This business will be managed and operated by partners, namely Russell Taragua, Aisa Pakulanang, Mylene Himpisaw. Government agencies, the Department of Labor and Employment that mandated to formulate policies, implement programs and service, and serve as the policy coordinating arm in the field of labor and employment. The Department of Trade and Industry to register the trade name and protect the rights and interests of the consumers. The Bureau of Internal Revenue that collects all of the internal revenue taxes, fees, and charges. The Local Government Unit or LGU of Moncayo to secure permits and all kinds of licenses in order to legalize the process of your business. Financial feasibility. This project has an initial capital of 850,000 pesos. This initial capital will cover up the initial cost of 800,000 pesos to purchase and pay of expenses in this project. Building expense, 100,000 pesos. Utility expense, 50,000 pesos. Equipment expense, 50,000 pesos. Right expense, 500,000 pesos. Product expense, 100,000 pesos. Total, 800,000 pesos.